In this video, I'm going to show you how you can control skeletal mesh animation in Director Tools. For this example, I'm going to use Epic's Mannequin Mesh, but keep in mind that Director Tools will support any kind of skeletal mesh with animations. So, to start off, we need our skeletal mesh actor in the scene. I'll just drag and drop it here. Now, enable Director Tools. Make sure that your skeletal mesh actor is selected, and from the Add Track menu, choose Animation. When you will try to add a new keyframe on the track, a window will pop up where you should choose an animation to be played by this keyframe. For now, let's go with the walk animation. We will be able to change it later on. If you scrub the timeline, you will see that the character is playing the walk animation. In Director Tools, the animation keyframe is quite different than a regular one as it holds more information. To display its properties, simply double-click it. Here you can change not only the keyframe's time, but also animation play rate or frames that the animation should start or end with. There is also a freeze animation checkbox that will help you to maintain the character's pose when the animation ends. So if I scrub the timeline, you can see that as soon as the time slider leaves keyframe range, the mesh returns to its default pose. But if you would like to keep that character frozen in the last frame, you can tick the freeze animation checkbox. Now, when the time slider leaves keyframe range, the character stays in the last frame. You can change the first or last frame of individual keyframes by grabbing and dragging either the left or right edge of the keyframe. So if you would like to play a specific range of this animation, you can do it very easily. In this case, we have a short walk animation that most likely should be looped over time. You can extend keyframe range to make it loop by holding Ctrl and dragging the right edge with the left mouse button. Note that you can have any number of animation keys on this track, and the one on the top will always be the one that is played. So right now, I'm going to add another keyframe with a different animation. Let's go with idle. Now if I drag the ladder key onto the previous one, it will cover it. And when I scrub the timeline, you will see that the idle animation takes over the skeleton as soon as the time slider enters key range. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.